It's nearly 3 months now since the first of the Asian refugees came here to Tonfanau in Meirionnydd. Since then, nearly 1,000 have been resettled in various parts of Britain, but there are still 700 here, 700 who have little hope, in the near future anyway, of moving out. They're in a strange country that's about to celebrate what to them is a strange festival, Christmas. Well, some of the people here are Muslims who look on Christ as one of their many prophets. Some are Sikhs, but most are Hindus, and both these religions don't recognize Christ and therefore don't celebrate his birthday. But when in Rome, do as the Romans do, especially at Christmas time. Did you used to celebrate Christmas in Uganda?
No, we're not celebrating.
No?
No,
I see. Do you know who Father Christmas is?
not really. I don't know who he is. I just know that he comes to people who celebrate. I don't know their religion. I don't know something.
Do you know what Father Christmas brings to most children?
Presents.
Does he? Are you expecting presents this Christmas?
Yes.
You are? Yes. Do you usually get presents at Christmas time?
Yes.
What would you like to get?
Some
A doll?
fruits or
Fruit.
yeah, sometimes.
Do you know who Father Christmas was?
No, not very well.
Can you describe him to me at all?
Yes, he's got a white beard and wears a red kind of costume.
What's he do?
He gives presents to children.
Well, the words of the carol mean nothing really to children who don't really know who Christ was. But children are quick to assimilate an atmosphere, and they're already beginning to understand what the spirit of Christmas is all about.